The seated cable rope face pull is an effective back strengthening exercise for targeting the rear delts, upper traps, and rhomboids while also improving shoulder stability and posture. This is a variation of the classic standing cable rope face pull that uses a bench to provide more stability, thus making it easier to apply more tension to the muscles in the back. If you don't have access to a bench, you can also complete the lying cable rope face pull on the floor. Here's how to do it correctly. With an incline bench set up facing the cable machine, attach a rope handle to the pulley with the cable pulley set to a height just above your head when seated. Grab the rope with both hands using an overhand, palms facing down grip. While holding the rope, sit on the bench with one foot flat on the floor and the other pressed into the upright cable post for added stability. Your arms should be fully extended in front of you with tension in the cable. Lead with your elbows, pulling them outward and upward as you bring the rope toward your face as you squeeze your shoulder blades together. Avoid using momentum to pull the rope. Once the rope is close to your face, hold the contraction for a brief moment to maintain a strong squeeze in your upper back and rear delts. Avoid shrugging your shoulders up during the movement. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position, ensuring you maintain tension in the cable. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.